Medion is a German electronics company that is owned by Lenovo. The company currently sells through Aldi in the US and through retailers such as Argos in the UK. The price comparison website Gazals.de states that Medion currently sells 6 different versions of the X6805 that are distinguishable by the differing components with which they are equipped. All models have the same NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 GPU. The entry-level model is powered by an Intel Core i7-8750H quad-core processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 256GB SSD, but it does not come with an OS. By contrast, our test device is powered by a more powerful Core i7-8750H processor, has 16GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD and a 1TB HDD. There is also a Core i7-8750H model with 8GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD, or a Core i5-8300H version with 16GB of RAM. All models are equipped with a matte 15.6-inch IPS display that runs natively at 1920 by 1080. The X6805 does not support NVIDIA G-Sync, but it utilizes NVIDIA Optimus instead, which dynamically switches between the dedicated and integrated GPUs for improved energy efficiency. Medion has chosen to equip all X6805 models with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 GPUs to keep costs down, but the GPU should be powerful enough for most tasks on the Full HD display. Our test device came with Windows 10 Home 64-bit pre-installed too. Prices currently start at €1,099 till $1254 in Germany and rise to €1,399 till $1597, which is the same price as our test device. By contrast, the entry-level model costs £949.99 in the UK at the time of writing, while the same configuration as our test device costs £1,249.99. One of the biggest surprises with the X6805 is its case. Since Lenovo has been a majority shareholder in Medion for several years, we would have expected the X6805 to have a refined IdeaPad or Legion-based case.